Hello, oceanography students of mine. This is going to be part 1 of 4 review videos for you to take some sketch notes along with me. So everything I draw, I want you to draw as well. So on your first piece of paper, just imagine this screen is your piece of paper. You're going to be drawing it at about the same scale. We're going to start with Earth's layers. So at the very top and not so big print. Oh, oopsie daisy. I already screwed up. I almost started spelling the word print. We're going to put Earth's layers. Earth's layers. All right, let's draw a slice of the Earth. All right, so we're going to start with a big V, and then we're going to bridge the gap. That's our little slice. The very top, this little rocky part up here with mountains and stuff. Very, very thin part, we're going to call that the crust. Just like the crust of a pizza. No surprise, right? Now we're going to divide the rest of it into 2 parts. One part, and you might be aware, is the mantle, and the other part, the core. Now, one important note is as you dive deeper, if you just took a shovel and started digging deeper and deeper and deeper forever, as you dig deeper into the Earth's surface, it is going to get hotter and hotter. So the Earth is its own heat source in a way. So down deep in the Earth, it's very, very hot. Very, 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 very hot. Nice and cool up here, hot down there. All right, so we're going to subdivide these into even smaller categories, like the Earth's core. The Earth's core, we're going to divide it into 2 parts. As you might know, the inner and the outer. So we have the inner core and the outer. Okay? So why do we need to call this the outer and the inner? Why can't the whole thing just be the core? Well, that's because there's 2 parts of the cores that have 2 very different properties. The inner core, made of iron and nickel, is solid. It's solid. But the outer core, also made of iron and nickel, is liquid. So I'm going to put a little asterisk here. The outer core is liquid. You can write that anywhere in the paper. I know I kind of put it really close. You could put it somewhere else. Doesn't matter. As long as you know the outer core is liquid, which is why we distinguish that's the difference between the outer core and the inner core. If it was all the same, we would just call it the core. All right, there's a part of the mantle here. There's a part of the mantle here. So let's say it's part of the upper mantle, like here, right? We're going to call this, if you remember, the asthenosphere. All right? The asthenosphere. This is also a solid. This is a solid, but it behaves like a liquid. It's got some movement to it, right? If you remember when we had the slime in here, if you remember what that word's called, it's called plasticity. Plasticity, like plastic. It's got some movement to it. Moves around. It's loosey-goosey. And then the part of the upper mantle and the crust, which is very rocky and not bendable or plastic, very rocky and crumbly, is the lithosphere. The lithosphere. So I remember it as, if I'm remembering the layers, I'm remembering L-A. L-A, right? L-A. So L on top, A on the bottom, lithosphere, and then the asthenosphere. The outer core is liquid. It's the only part of this that's liquid. Everything else is solid, including the inner core. And as you dive deeper into the Earth's surface, it gets hotter and hotter. All right. On to the next one.